Yo, what up you guys, and welcome back to another video. It is pretty late right now, and I realized that I started doing this project before I started filming, but when I got my camera, I left my memory card at home, so I don't have the memory card in my camera, and my GoPro is just not picking up anything, but my phone camera picks up pretty good. I just got off work, and what I'm going to do is continue wrapping the car, and this is what I got so far. I got some of it done already. Decided to go with penguins this time. In 2018, I think I did my last Christmas car wrap video. Put that right here, and it was fun. But this right here only took me 1 hour, and now you guys can see the top's a little busted. I just forgot to tape it, and I snagged it and it came off, but that's an easy fix. I already got the back done so far. But I do want to say Happy New Year to you guys, and also Merry Christmas. During that time I was editing all the videos you guys seen before this. This video might be pretty short. I just want to do this for some photos and see what the car looks like wide body Christmas wrap. I don't think anybody did a wide body Christmas wrap Civic, which I think would be pretty cool. And so far the red, woo, man, I can't wait till this done. I did bring my GoPro to time lapse because I do have this, but it's too dark, so I know there's no way I could time lapse it, and I kind of want to get done. But I'll show you guys a full overview and when I actually do the photos with the car wrapped and the location. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Like I said earlier, I just got off work. The fatigue from work is kicking in, and I'm like starting to get a mild headache, which is rare because I don't get headaches. But it's been about an hour and like say 10 minutes later, and I finished the whole top half and the bumpers, and it looks pretty dope. But here, I'll show you guys a quick little sneak. Oh, I'm not even done yet, bro. Got the whole top done. Ooh. Ooh. The design is penguins, baby. Yeah. So right now, I'm just gonna go home, get some rest, and what I'll do is just the sides. That's all I have left in the morning. I don't know if I'm gonna actually paint. I don't know if I'm gonna actually wrap the fenders. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna finish the rest of the car first and then do the fenders last. I'll probably do a time lapse or something for you guys in the morning. We'll see you guys in the morning. Guys, it is 4:41 in the morning, and drove home, drove back. Everything's secured except for this one little section right there. Everything else stayed on the car pretty good. So I'm gonna continue wrapping this, but when a little light shows up, I will be able to show you guys some type of time lapse or something. See you in a while. Yo, what up everybody? I'm still working right now, but I finished a good amount of the car. Pretty loud train. Finished a good amount of the car. It looks pretty dope so far. Ooh, I broke my lip if you guys saw in Ariel's video. Damn, that shit looks hard so far. So we're gonna fast forward to a few moments later. Okay, you guys, the most scariest fucking shit just happened to me, okay? So it is after work, obviously. Oh shit, I thought I saw somebody behind me. But I'm right here just wrapping Panda, minding my own business, okay? I'm trying to stay in the light. Okay, I'm minding my own business. tell me why as I'm rapping, I think I hear a noise, so I'm looking around. I was like, oh, it's the little cats right here, because there's cats that play right there. Bro, tell me fucking why I'm just rapping and somebody comes out of there right behind me. Creepiest motherfucker was right there. He just opens the thing and comes out, and I was like, what the f? So bro, so he comes out, his hair covers his face, he's just walking towards me. So I turned down the music, and you guys know me as a martial artist, so I'm like ready to fight, because I'm like, I don't know what this guy got on him, how long he's been in there. He just pops out of that thing. So I'm like, oh shit. And then he's like, oh, you're Christmas wrapping your car. It looks cool. And I was like, yeah. Yeah. Thank you. And he walks away, and he has a yo-yo in his hand. So I'm like, what the whoo. But there's not too much lighting for me to show you guys a time lapse or anything. But I'm just gonna finish rapping and get home, because I'm like scared right now. I didn't go ooh, but like my heart's like racing, and I had a rock star, so my heart's really like this. But dude, that was some creepy ass shit. He just comes out right there, so he might come back. So gotta be prepared. I don't want him to like steal my camera or something. But back to work. You guys thought I was lying. I ain't lying, man. I don't be capping here. I'm about to get out of here. Fuck this. See you guys tomorrow. And it's a completely different day. I got most of the car done except for that front right there. As you guys saw in that last clip, that bump scared the crap out of me. I hightailed it out of there, but I've been hanging here at the shop with Spencer and Juan, and there's like nothing but low cars here this time. What do you need? All low cars. Got the 14, another 240 up in here. All low cars are here today. Especially this one's pretty dope. I really love that it has a bar in the back for the seat harness. It's clean. Ooh, that shit is nice. But look at how low, like it's like all low cars are here today, except for that van right there. But customers picking that up. So in a bit, what I'm gonna do is roll Panda in here, finish the bottom half and front lip. And then I'm gonna do photos tonight, probably cinematic video. We'll see where this goes. Spencer's taller than the van. You see that shit? And he fits in his tiny 240. It's crazy. Guys, check this out. Juan got some new stickers. Freaking dope. He gave me some oil slick ones already. I'm just gonna put it on the car later, but I'm also gonna get mine in pretty soon. I actually have been working on a lot of stuff like this recently. I'm just trying to figure out like what colors, but these are nice. These are a good idea. Very good quality. I'll be also getting my stuff made real soon for this year. And at least that way you guys could support your boy. And you know, I just wanted to build a family with you guys, you know. And also thank you guys for the 500 subs. That means a lot. I didn't expect to get that much. I did remember I said at the end of last year of 2020 that I hope I get 1,000, but we all didn't know COVID was gonna hit. So now that it did, it gave me some time to actually work on a new brand and a style of merch for you guys. And I'm also gonna come out with a lot of stickers. But if you guys have any suggestions though on some stickers that you guys would like, comment down below, and it will help me give an idea to help relate to you guys as well. Alright, you guys, customers finally came and picked up their cars. Now I can finish wrapping this. Obviously got this to do, just that, and the front lip. It's been extremely windy the past, what, 2 days? So there's sometimes I couldn't wrap it because paper was flying everywhere. Tape was everywhere. So it just looks funny. Them penguins, boy. And remember, this is just for shits and giggles, you know. I just want to do some photos for Christmas. And they even got the little star down there. This one's made out of metal, so it's been hanging there for the past 2 days. Today I don't have to go to work, but later tonight I will be doing some photos and cinematics. But let me finish this and we'll get done with the video. Woo, it's windy today. Alright guys, I'm here at the location. There's lots of lights that are set up, even like right here. You can see right here, all the way down there. So I'm gonna probably park Panda right here in the middle. The car itself is completely wrapped. Do a quick little cinematic, nothing too crazy or special. Oh yes. So there is one spot right here that flew off when I got here, so I'm gonna tape that up and then park and hurry before security kicks me out. I'll sit you guys in a quick time lapse real quick and I'll be right back. Damn. Oh, I knocked over the GoPro. It's so windy, you guys. That's it for this video, you guys. I'm gonna do some more photos off camera. I think I'm done here as far as this vlog. If you guys want to see the full cinematic of this